Hey, my name is James Mason. This is going to be a short video on how to read the tape. So what I mean is the tape, it's this time and cells that you can click on this taskbar over here. Now, the difference between the time and cells, the tape, between level 2s is on the level 2, these are just orders that are placed that could potentially happen. Down here, you could also have a lot of people who are basically bluffing. They'll post up a massive order over here or here to just try to signal a direction that they may want this stock to go. So right here you have a massive order, up for sale, and basically there's a good chance that this stock will continue this downtrend right here. Now, if the massive order was over here, that could potentially signal an uptrend, basically act like a support. But again, you could have some MMs who they'll just flash a number over here to bluff the traders. Now, back over here on the tape, everything in the red, these are actually orders that have taken place. So the red, these were, bought over here. It was bought at the bid price or sold at the bid price. And with the green, it's basically just saying that someone had bought them at the ask price. So as you see these rolling through, you'll see all these different numbers, and these are the actual true amount of shares that were bought in that sell. So the way this helps out is if you start seeing a bunch of red with a bunch of high numbers, that means that there is a big sell-off that is taking place, and you can look over here on candlesticks and you'll see it. And that could potentially mean that you need to start thinking about getting out. Now, when a lot of green cells start coming through, that can indicate an uptrend. And this is just another tool that you can tack on with your level 2s and all your indicators on your charts to paint a whole picture to help you out in your trades. So, just always remember that these are the actual shares that have been bought or sold, and these down here are just orders that have been placed. So this is actually factual. This is what has happened, and this is what could potentially happen. So I hope this video can help you out with your trades. It is useful because it actually does let you know, who's buying what and how much, or who is selling what and how much. So, just try it out. Definitely try out everything paper trading before you actually use it and depend on it with real money. And that's pretty much it for how to read the tape. It's pretty simple once you get your eyes on it for a little bit, and it does paint a little bit clearer picture as to what has just taken place right before your eyes. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.